Tell me about yourself is the first and most frequently asked interview question. Interesting part is that the interview very well knows that they have to face this question in the very beginning. The hiring manager has your resume, but they still ask you to tell something. Why do they ask? What answer do they expect? And what are they looking for it? They want to know how you represent yourself, your communication skills, your confidence level, how enthusiastic you are, and how you can add value to the organization. This question comes to you with a great opportunity, so go prepared and give your best. You just have a minute or two to make sure that you are an ideal candidate to hire. Hi everyone, my name is Kevika Vash, and in this video I am going to share you a step-by-step guide on how to introduce yourself in any interview, some crucial tips to follow while preparing your answer, and some crucial tips to deliver your answer. And third, we'll also share some sample introductions for freshers and experienced candidates. 3 crucial tips to follow to prepare your introduction. Read the job description thoroughly. Why you need to do this? So that you can tailor-make your answer. The hiring manager is interested to know your strengths and competencies that makes you suitable for this job. So when you discuss your work experience, mention those strengths and skills that resonates with the job description. And third, most important, your answer should be structured. Points to follow while delivering your answer. Be calm and confident, maintain eye contact, keep a smile on your face, sound enthusiastic, be authentic, and don't recite your resume. You must practice it beforehand. Do not take your answer to your family background or your life story because the interviewer is not interested in it. So, let's begin. When you reach before the interviewer or group of panel, formally greet them. If they have called you by name, then don't start the conversation by saying your name. So, if you are an experienced candidate, you need to talk about your work experience, any awards or achievement, and what makes you fit for this job. When you talk about your work experience, it should not look like that you are reading out your roles and responsibilities. Instead, tell them that how you have added value to your current organization. Express your work in such a way that depicts your strength and skills. Give them something over and above your resume. If you have received any award related to work profile, do mention it. And make sure that you tell them that what makes you fit for this job. Let's take a look at an example. I have been working as a marketing professional for 5 years now. I joined the industry as a marketing executive and worked my way up to the position of marketing manager. I have been working as marketing manager with XYZ Limited for past 3 years. During this time, I have been providing the company with product-centric campaign which has helped to increase the customer base to the company. I have been able to manage corporate marketing functions like branding, product launch, advertising, and pricing. With my leadership abilities and strong communication skills, I have also had the opportunity of managing a 5-member team and would like to emphasize that my team has always outperformed and managed to spike the sales volume and profitability every quarter. For this, my team has received award as well. Prior to this, I have worked with ABC Limited for 2 years as marketing executive. I believe now is the time for me to take on a more challenging and exciting role, and this position is one that really excites me. The kind of work this organization is doing is incredibly amazing, and to be a part of this team will be a great learning opportunity for me. I believe my experiences and knowledge aligns with the job description, and I will be worthy enough to contribute to the company's future success. Now, in this example, you have highlighted your strengths, your achievements, and at the same time, talking about your team and appreciating them shows that you believe in teamwork and has emphasized on your leadership skills. Point to note here is, whenever you talk about any award or achievement, make sure that you must have a proof to it. If you are a fresher, you need to talk about your educational background, any trainings you have done on the job, industrial training, any certifications. Talk about your awards, achievements, your strengths, hobbies. It's an optional part. If your hobbies are related to the job profile, you can mention it. Otherwise, it's your choice. And what makes you to apply for this job? So let's take an example from it. I have recently completed PG diploma from CDEC after receiving my BCA degree from Delhi University. As a part of my diploma curriculum, I have worked as a software intern in XYZ Limited for 3 months, where I got the opportunity to learn and work on various programming languages such as C, C++. This internship gave me a significant exposure to the live projects and corporate world. I enjoyed working in a team and learning with different set of people. Apart from this, I have attended certified training programs on Java and CSS from the industry leaders. I believe in continuous learning and invest my time in upgrading my skills by participating in HackerRank. It's an online coding competition. I have a keen interest in knowing the culture of different countries, as it also helps you to communicate more effectively. I am proficient in Spanish and French. I am thrilled about the prospect of starting my professional journey with this position and being a part of highly reputed and innovative team. Now in this example, you have talked about your educational background, your trainings, certifications, your interest, strength and hobbies in a very synchronized way that is related to your job description. I hope this video helps you to create an impeccable introduction. If you find this video meaningful, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, please mention it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best for your introduction and interview.